Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create any patterns in Revit. First, we have to get our pattern file. Here, cut hatch is best site to get free hatch patterns. I'm gonna select whatever I want from here. Let's select this one. Here is the file. It is compressed file. Right click on it, extract here. Here are the files. So now go to Revit, click on Manage tab, Additional Settings. Here, Fill Patterns. Click on here, New Fill Pattern. Custom. Here, Browse. Go to the file location. Here on desktop, and here is the pattern file. Open it. Now I can't see anything here. That's because of the scale. So let's give it a try 0.1. Now I can see some parts, but it's not again the scale that I want. So 0.01. This one is a nice scale. Click OK. Here is our new pattern. Edit and rename one. Click OK. Click OK. Now I can use this pattern whenever I want. Let's say I want to use on 2D elements like field region. Draw here. Don't speak. Right. I want to change the pattern here. Click Edit Type here on Fill Pattern. Click here, and here is our fill pattern. Click OK. Okay. Here we go. I can use also in walls. Go 3D. Here is our wall. Click on it, edit type, edit again, here on structure, and I'm gonna add here surface pattern. Click on this one called says pattern. Click on it, I can load the pattern I already created. Click OK, 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 OK. Here we go.